All right, skies out to the west. Well, there's a few clouds out there. We had rain in the FM area. It didn't amount to much, but we'll take 1/10 of an inch with the dry grass out there. And here's a look at that radar. We are tracking one severe thunderstorm cell that's crossing the Red River Valley as we speak. It's going to pass just to the south of you in the Drayton area. As far as the hail core goes, you will get rain. You will get some wind with this cell. Right here where we see the pinks, this is moving in on the Cashel area as it moves off to the east over the I-29 corridor. We'll have that potential for between 1 and 2 inch diameter hail. So if you're in Cashel, you want to seek shelter immediately. This one big enough to cause damage to vehicles and the like. So if you are in or around Drayton and Stephen Argyle areas as we head into the 6 o'clock hour, you'll want to make sure the vehicle is parked inside the garage. That's a strong cell. Just to your north, Kittson County, seeing some rumbles of thunder, a lot of frequent lightning. Hail size with this anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch in diameter to 1/2 of an inch in diameter. Will be near Hallock by the time we talk at 5:39. Now here's a peek at a couple of thunderstorm cells in Nelson County, one not far from the Michigan area. One that has just passed to the south of Mackville. Now, Mackville, you did get some heavy rain with this system, but that is going to skirt along the county border there with your neighbors to the south in Griggs and Steele County, also heading out toward the general direction of Northwood. Small hail potential with that cell. It's not severe right now. And here is a look at a line of storms that is going to pass near Cooperstown, moving towards Daisy in northern portions of Barnes County and moving out of the Wimbledon area. We did get a report of a funnel cloud, maybe a tornado touchdown out there not far from the Spiritwood Lake area. There's no confirmation of that, just a Facebook report. So these storms, they're not expected to bring widespread severe storms, but that's what we're here for, to let you know. When we take a look at the big picture, we see there's just a few areas of intense activity where you see these icons moving to the east-southeast. They're only moving at 20 to 25 miles per hour, 70 miles till they hit Fargo, if they even hit Fargo. We'll keep our eyes on the skies there. Very quiet conditions out to the west, so once this band moves through, it looks like a quiet night. A look at those clouds off to the west. Well, it's 72 degrees, as warm as we've been all day. Moorhead, you have 70. Wind from the south at 10 miles per hour. Not overly hazy here in Fargo as far as the smoke is concerned. Likewise in Grand Forks, the temperature there warmer. More prolonged sunshine throughout the afternoon allowed things to warm up a bit more. South winds at 9 miles per hour. 70 to 75 as advertised out to the west of the Red River today, and temperatures a little cooler out to the east. Those morning showers just lingered out there towards Lakes Country, but many areas actually needing a little bit of rainfall after a nice spell of dry weather here across the valley. Hour by hour forecast shows the Northern Valley storms quite strong here in the late afternoon, and this tail of storms along the boundary down into Stutsman and Barnes County. Setting it into motion this evening, it does make its way through. The best chance of continued convection or thunderstorms will be in northwest Minnesota. Our model really takes this stuff down south and tears it apart. So if you're heading out to the Red River Valley Fair, our chances are really going to be hit and miss for any thunder shower activity. Hazy conditions expected along the international counties as we head into the evening hours. You may even smell some smoke. Temperatures down in the 60s this evening for a cool evening with light winds. Any overnight activity really diminishes as far as thunder showers go. Temperatures to start your Thursday will be in the 50s. Then the hazy moves through. We could actually smell a little bit of smoke in the skies near Fargo and Grand Forks for our day tomorrow. It won't last too long. I don't think it's going to be a 3-day event, but some of that smoke could mix its way into the valley as temperatures soar into the low to mid 80s for the Red River Valley and points west. Temperatures 75 to 80 in Lakes Country with a chance of some late day haze for you as well. 57 to start the day. I think we're going to be calm and quiet. 68 by midday with some sunshine. It'll be hazy, maybe, possibly smelling of smoke. Then 85 degrees as we close out your Thursday afternoon with a summer-like evening with quiet conditions. A lot of 80s west of the Red River at 3 o'clock. Mid to upper 70s for most in Lakes Country in your mid-afternoon hour. Here's a look at that smoke forecast generated from NOAA. This is where they anticipate where the particulates are going to disperse, and some could be very near the ground here in the Red River Valley tomorrow at 3 o'clock. So be aware of that. Look at that gorgeous sunset taken by Tracy haze in Park Rapids, just beautiful. We'll see more of those. We'll see smoke and haze. And taking a look at your 7-day planner, I've put on the days that I think our best chance of that smoky stuff will be. Hazy conditions in 87 as we go through Friday. The weekend, hazy. Chance of spotty storms, not all weekend long. With heat like that, some of those storms could be strong. Then next week is our best chance here in the valley with upper level winds shifting of smoky weather with hit and miss thunder showers on Monday and again on Wednesday. It looks like we won't be as hot next week either, behind a little cold front. So severe thunderstorm warning. Large hail, the main threat from that one, moving over the northern Red River Valley just south of Drayton as we speak. Stephanie, we'll continue to track this cell as we go through the newscast, and we'll let you know where it's going and what those ones to the west are doing here in a few minutes.
It's amazing. Those little cells can have so much damage.
When they're by themselves or isolated, they certainly can grow quickly.
All right, thank you, Hutch.
You bet.
Well, coming up next, how you can be a part of saving someone's life.